So this is my nightstand. It's always full of stuff. I charge my phone, my watch, and occasionally my computer, because let's face it, it's really nice to lie in bed with the computer sometimes. On top of that, I have my headphones, a glass of water, and a notebook to be able to take notes whenever I have any. So for this project I'm going to hide the wireless charger inside the nightstand, removing that big old puck from IKEA. I ordered this wireless charger module from eBay. There's a link in the description. It only costs $6. I've seen a lot of people using their existing chargers and just inserting that into a table, but that won't give as good of power as I want. I want to charge it as quickly as possible. I did a non-scientific experiment using some scrap pieces of wood, and it was best where there was about half a centimeter of material or less in between. With more material it could charge, but at a slower pace. I took off the top of my nightstand. It was just screwed in place using 4 screws, so that was easy. I traced around the wireless charger module where I wanted the charger to sit, and I also drew a small groove for the cable to sit in. I then used my router to remove wood inside the lines at a depth corresponding to the earlier experiment, leaving about half a centimeter of material. I used hot glue to attach the wireless charger module, that way I can replace it if anything happens to it, and also I won't harm the wireless charger module. Impatient as I am, I had to try if it worked at this point, and yeah, it was a success. Once that was done, I just had to screw the tabletop back in place and clean the nightstand up. And there you have it. A quick and cheap way to hide the wireless charger. I'm really pleased with how this turned out. It leaves me a lot of space on my nightstand to store other stuff than just chargers. And yeah, it works great as well. And if you don't have a router, you can do this with a Forstner bit and a drill. So I'm going to switch out the headboard we have here and replace it with something else, and I might add some kind of storage to that. So for now, the first step towards a cleaner nightstand will have to do. I also cleaned out the drawer, leaving me space to store the notebook. And that gives a much cleaner look. Thanks so much for watching, I truly appreciate it. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing and hit that thumbs up, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.